on the land. The people need the trees to hold a meditation, and the working class what to ease them tension. Little lions down, burn them down. Local we local, international and we global. I'll tell you this, don't call we no local sound. This little lion sound, no run this reggae business.
You often wish that time slowed down to absorb absolutely everything of it.
It's now in Zealand's Cup.
No one's ever won the America's Cup 3 times in a row. And that's the motivation that takes us to the Cup in Barcelona.
I'm sure it's going to be, one hell of a battle out there on the water.